Let's start today's drawing. So I'm going to draw sun over here. So for that I'm going to draw one nice circle. If I'm struggling here, so I can do plus sign and then I will do circle on the top. Now I will pull this line, and the top and the bottom and in the middle, and then I will do small ones between. This area I am going to do butterfly. Over here I'm going to draw a bird or a parrot. So these things we already learned. I'm going to draw one cloud over here, half cloud here, and under this branch from here maybe little bit down because I want bushes over here. So from here I can go all the way here and I will do bushes over here. Same thing, I don't want to create any pattern, maybe some flowers. So let's draw the tulip. Now here I want some bushes, so let's start from here. On here, so another one I will do on the top here. And one maybe a little bit high over here. Maybe from here or here we can draw one flower. It is going over here. Branches for this one, we can do alphabet Y. We can draw some flowers here too, and some branches for these ones. Maybe some grass here. Leaf here. I want one flower here too, so let's draw.